We have an own business unit, which is called Industry X. And this Industry X business unit is mainly focusing on the digitalization of manufacturing clients in the core processes. So meaning in how products are designed and engineered, how they are produced, and how they're actually used in the field and how they are servitized. And now industrial IoT plays a very crucial role now, especially if you're looking in the area of production optimization, where we are using machine data and sensor data from the shop floor to optimize production processes, to optimize quality.
The new Microsoft Industrial Transformation Technology like Azure Operations, Fabric, and EKS are all covering critical parts of the overall architecture that we always see in industrial solutions. It starts with Azure Operation, and especially since we are working in manufacturing, we're talking about sub-second latencies that we have to cope with. And that's the reason why we have a building on top of Azure Operations at the edge.
We see a lot of pressure coming from the market to all the manufacturing companies, especially to optimize and further drive their optimization and profitability. And that, of course, needs the help of data. Because on the one side, we also see that the typical optimization programs like, for example, lean manufacturing, world-class manufacturing are somehow plateauing. So it needs complete new solutions to really take the next step. And there we see especially now data, and with the data then artificial intelligence enabling the next step of optimization. What we're currently seeing beside the normal typical AI from the past, we're seeing a lot of impact coming from generative AI, which completely changes the way how people interact with the data and how they're actually leveraging AI functionality without being trained on AI, by just asking questions to the system and then getting answers, which includes AI functionality. I think that's changing the whole world of production operations, because here the operator is able to use data and AI in a new way.
Azure Operations is a natural fit to anything that is related to edge computing. And of course, we have seen that these technologies are what we were missing in the past. More standard support, more manageability, more scalability, things like high availability at the edge, which was simply not possible. So it was super interesting for us, and we were always sure that this will play a major role in the future architecture that we're providing to customers.